Hello, sixth graders. Let's talk about your IXL assignment for today. Very simple, very similar to yesterday's assignment, working with inequalities. So let me share my screen here with you and show you. So today we're going to do this one right here. Write inequalities from the number lines, right? Write inequalities from the number lines. Let's take a look at it. All right, so what inequality does this number line show? Remember yesterday I told you that if it's a filled in circle, it has to be less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, right? And it has to be one of these with the line under it. If it's a filled in circle, this one is a filled in circle. So we can see it's starting at 5. So it could be 5 or it could be anything less than 5. So it has to be this one right here, right? Could be 5, could be anything less than 5. And then you need to put the number 2. So less than or equal to 5, okay? Let's, x is, you need to put the x. Sorry, I forgot to tell you that. X is less than or equal to 5. Let's do another one and I'll show you what I mean. So now you have an open circle and it's at 5. Okay, so you need to put x. It has to be greater than 5. Since that circle is open, it has to be greater than 5. Okay, let's look at another one. Once again, open circle, starting at 4, so it has to be greater than 4. So x has to be greater than 4. Let's look at another one. Starting at 2, it is a closed circle, so you know x has to be greater than or equal to the number 2. Okay, let's see if we can go to a harder one. Okay, let's look at these. These aren't much harder, but they just use bigger numbers. So starting at negative 48, it is included, so x is less than or equal to negative 48. Can we do any harders? No, they don't get harder. They just get bigger numbers is all that's happening. So it's starting at negative 452. It's an open circle, so it cannot be greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. So x has to be less than, because it's going, these numbers are getting smaller, okay, 452. Negative 452. My goodness, Mr. Strands. Forgot to put negative. Sorry, I need more coffee. Not focused. Let's look at another one. Can't end on a bad note. I'm going to go to the hardest ones we can before they, there we go. Okay, so what inequality does this number line show? Starting at negative 4, it's an open circle. Okay, so x has to be less than negative 4. And voila, there you go. One more. Sure, we'll do one more. I know, you guys want one more. Here we go. Closed circle, starting at 84. So closed means it has to be one of these two. Okay, it's going down. So 84 has to be less than or equal to, or I'm sorry, x has to be less than or equal to 84. I was trying to see if they give us an equal one in here, but I don't see one yet. Let's try one more because I just want to see if they give us an equals one. So 794, it is a closed circle, so it has to be greater than or equal to 794. Equals. No. 479, open circle. So x has to be greater than, because it's going greater than 479. All right, that's the last one, unless this one's equals. Nope. All right, so you get the point. Let me know if you have any questions. If you have any questions, go ahead and post them on Google Classroom. Mrs. Morton or I will respond. I hope you all have a great day.